Happy Friday, everyone. Along with recommending everybody check out my website, playstoresales.com, I also wanted to throw out a quick tip for those who use the Gmail application and their Google account frequently. The company has rolled out a new update to Gmail that lets you change your Google account picture directly from the application. And I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. This new change does seem to be in line with Google's recent push to add more features to the Gmail application, like with the new Meet tab at the bottom. Along with adding the same account switcher to the top of this floating menu right here, we're seeing this more and more in a number of Gmail or Google applications. And if you notice in your profile picture here, the latest update is going to show a little camera icon at the bottom right corner, so that whenever we tap that, we're given direct access to our Google account profile picture without ever leaving the Gmail application. As mentioned, this is going to give you the ability to change the profile picture for your entire Google account. And you can learn more about how this is viewable across Google services right here. We're given the ability to change the profile picture, to simply remove it, or we can tap the three-dot menu icon right there, have access to our past profile pictures, and a way to send feedback directly to Google. Now this does appear to be a server-side switch type of update. Even though I have the latest Gmail application on my Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, I do not have this camera icon in the bottom right of my profile picture. I can access my Google account via this method, but it's not letting me change the picture just yet. So I'm thinking this is a new change that's rolling out via a server-side switch, which, while also requiring you to be on the latest version of Gmail, it will simply happen in a rolled out fashion where a certain segment of the install base gets it at a time. And over the course of typically 2 or 3 weeks, the entire install base of Gmail will have this new change. So I hope everybody enjoys their Friday and their upcoming weekend. Again, be sure to check out the website playstoresales.com if you're ever looking for any current discounts on Android applications or games.